Hello there. This is Erica Mathews from toolseng.com, the world's largest and most trusted online tool store. ToolsEngg manufacturing follow all the necessary manufacturing standards. Our major strengths are our high precision quality, catalog variety, and the repeatable consistency of all the tools we manufacture. Our manufacturing capability, combined with our vast experience serving thousands of our valued customers around the world, keep us always on our feet to provide only high-precision toolings that bear our ToolsEngg name. All our tool holders are dynamically balanced, heat treatments are done in quality-controlled batches, and inspection is done after each operation of the tool-making process with the help of air gauge. Final overall inspection and packing is done keeping with strict quality control standards. We have an immediate response customer support team to help with your technical questions as well. Our prices are an industry leader in comparison with any brands in our sphere. We are very strong in the manufacturing of non-standard drawing-based collets, cutting tools, tool holders, and accessories, among various other industrial products. Our raw material inspection and certification is of our utmost priority. We ensure its perfection so that you as the customer don't need to. Considering the vastness of our catalog, we still hold a large variety of products in stock. We are proud to offer worldwide shipping to over 200+ countries. Drop us a mail if you have any query regarding the shipping process to your country. Our mail ID is info@toolseng@gmail.com. Quality and trust is not just in our logo, but our everyday slogan to provide the best quality toolings while maintaining and building on our customers' trust in us. Thank you for your support in us. We will continue to serve you with the same level of enthusiasm. For all the new customers looking to make your first purchase, buy without any fear, as we are always ready to guide and support you. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.